Hello guys, good evening for all. Now we discuss about parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Plant have 5 parts. 5 parts what is? First one is leaf, second one is fruit, third one is flower, fourth one is stem, fifth one is root, and sixth one is shoot. Okay. Now we know what is plant doing in the soil. Root absorbs the water and minerals from the soil, and it absorbs at some stem. Shoot absorbs food and water. Okay, food also it will absorb, and leaves is food factory of the plant. Food factory of the plant. And so some that I have now in flower have honey. Leaves have one stomata. That stomata only they breathe. We have nose. That's why we breathing. That's why they also have. Their nose is stomata. That one we see in leaf means not. But we see in a microscope means we will see the stomata. And leaf have some points I will say. First one is leaf blade. Leaf blade is soft and broad. Okay. Veins. Second one is veins. Veins means transport the water. Transport the water. We're drinking the water. Just like only we have hand. That's why we taking one glass and we fill the water and we drink. Just like only leaf also doing. Any like we coming rainy season means rain will come now. Rain is falling down. Then plants is leaf taking that water and going that veins and it transport to leaf. Then plant is becoming up. Like we have small, then we have LKG or UKG. Then we get an up. Then third class. Again we get an up. Fifth class. That's like we becoming up. Yes. That's like only first any seed is how. In a fruit have seed. Yes. That seed in the soil. Then what that seed will do? That seed will do. First he absorbs water. Water he take after he take food and minerals. And again he come in soil on a small plant. Again that one become in soil only big. Again that one big. After he become small plant. After he become some big plant. After he go to tree. Okay. In some fruits is like flowers only changing into fruits. Hibiscus and some all flowers not in one color. Hibiscus in red color, lotus in pink color. Yes, no. Rose in red color. Okay. That like only we are producing food now. How like transporting food? Tree. First leaf onwards is transporting to all leaves. All leaves preparing the food. Some food give to us. Some food give to us. And some food us taking. Okay. Next, we go into eating habits of animals. Animals have 3 types. One is herbivorous animals. Second one is omnivorous animals. And third one is carnivorous animals. We discuss about the herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals means like grass eating animals. Grass eating animals. Like example, cow, goat, and giraffe, elephant. That's like that. Chewing the food after we discuss that is the herbivorous animals. Now carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals means flesh eating animals. Totally. Tiger, wolf, lion. That's okay. Now omnivorous animals. I said no. Herbivorous and omnivorous. The two mixing means they eat both. They eating grass. They eating flesh. No? Means how like he will believe he will eat. Suppose example bear and human. Bear eating grass, no? Anyone no? All are no. No, and it will catch the fishes. Fishes is the flesh animal. That's what flesh. Okay. Next, human. Human also does like human eat veg and non-veg. Veg means vegetables, fruits, nuts, as no seed. And non-veg means meat, like a chicken, fish. Okay. Now, chewing the food. Chewing the food, how like curd means, how like eating the cow curd means, it will first eat the fastly grass. Like we eating now. Fastly. Anyone come means, come fastly means we eat hurry now. That's like only cow also eat. And then it will fastly eating, no, he sleep. That time you see cow have big, we have only smaller, but cow has big neck. As no. Big neck. He will coming back into his mouth. He's chewing very slowly food. He's chewing very that one become into mouth, then it will clean. That one go to here, neck. Then transport into stomach. Okay. And that is the cow chewing the curd. Okay. Now food chain. You see one video. I'll keep in description. In one boy eating the lace. One lace is full. Example I say. One boy eating the lace, children. After it falling to down. Then spider eating the lace. One. See. Spider eating the lace. One step. And frog eating the spider. Second step. And frog eaten by snake. Eaten by snake. Snake eaten by eagle. Again, eagle eaten by one chimpanzee we say, no? That no. And chimpanzee eaten by one shark. Big shark came there. That's why I said shark. Shark and again one big, like we seeing all the movies, big aliens will come now. Big. That like only come. That one come. Less who eating. That boy only showing to his friends. What he showing? See, there is one big. We call anything. We don't know. That's why I calling alien. Okay. Now we discussed about frog. How like it? Frog have tongue. Sorry, frog have teeth? No. Lizard have teeth? No. That's why he will eaten like he keep that have big tongue. He will keep it out. Any insect coming means it will fastly tongue will go to his mouth. He not have teeth. That's why he is swallowing the food. Lizards also, that's why. We see houses with so many lizards will have. Okay? Lizard also frog like only. But lizard have small tongue. Okay? Thank you. And like, share, subscribe.